Miele 360 Pro, the system solution for holistic hygiene in your medical practice. Special care and attention is required in gynaecology practices, where a wide variety of medical devices such as colonoscopes, curettes, specula and forceps are used. Due to the specific soiling, the reprocessing of these instruments has individual requirements. Miele offers an all-round solution for cleaning, disinfection, sterilisation and process documentation, tailored precisely to your needs. Miele washer-disinfectors are renowned for their reliability, large capacity and perfect results. Thanks to special inserts, up to 48 specula can be reprocessed in one batch. The Vario TD Gyne reprocessing program considers the material-specific requirements for hygienic reprocessing. Process chemicals are tailored to the program to support effective and particularly gentle cleaning. A routine control product provides additional safety. Miele sterilisers are easy to operate and save time. A standard load can be sterilised and perfectly dried in just 30 minutes. Miele also offers various solutions for water treatment, for the sterilizer alone or in combination with a washer-disinfector. Data Diary, the Miele app for process documentation, makes it easy to meet regulatory requirements and to archive data for a long time. Miele Move is our newest digital solution for an efficient machine, data and process management. It contains services which make your practice life easier. Miele 360 Pro also helps you in other areas of your everyday practice, and our highly qualified service teams are there to support you. Miele's range of sustainably focused solutions can save you time, effort and valuable resources, protecting our planet, increasing patient satisfaction and the profitability of your practice. Protect your investment with Miele, everything from a single source.